Hi everyone, my name is Shinzini and in today's video I am going to show you a few very quick and simple hairstyles that you can do on a regular basis, whether if you are going to college or to work or for anything. Also this video is specially for those of you girls who have hair thinning problem just like me. मतलब मेरा तो सिर्फ इतना ही बाल है, like just this much, that is it, पीछे कुछ नहीं है. So I have hair thinning problem, so yeah, I know a lot of you will be relating to me and you know that अगर ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम नहीं है तो ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं कर सकते बालों के साथ. बहुत सारे हेयर स्टाइल्स जो हम ऐसे देखते हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे या फिर यूट्यूब पे, वी कैन नॉट रियली डू इट ऑन आवर हेयर बिकॉज उतना बाल ही नहीं है तो क्या कर सकते हैं. बट डोंट वरी, स्पेशली इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हेयर स्टाइल्स दैट आर suited for thin hair and also not only it is going to make you look more cute, but it is also going to make your hair look like it has more volume than it actually does. So yeah, without any further ado, I'll quickly get into the video. But before that, if you're not subscribed yet, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post a video every Friday and don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video.
Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know?
So for the first hairstyle, I like keeping my hair open most of the time. So over here I am only taking the front portion of my hair, that is the crown portion of the hair, and creating a small puff, and then instead of a rubber band I'm using a regular clip to kind of lock the hair at that particular position. Then I'm going to pull out a few strands on my face because I feel it looks cute that way. And that's it. The hairstyle is done. I think this is very easy and it's one of my favorite go-to styles which looks super adorable in pictures. And you can literally see that my hair actually looks like it has more volume now. Style 2 is a high ponytail, but there's a trick in doing that. What I have learned is that for people with less volume of hair in front, that is in the crown portion, if you're doing a high ponytail using a hair tie, then it might make your hair look really flat. So I always use a regular clip instead. And you can literally see the difference. My hair does not look flat and it also gives such a nice upliftment to the ponytail, and this looks so much better. So on to the next hairstyle, which is the messy bun. So a top bun always makes the hair look fuller, and that is what exactly we are going to do here. So over here I am back brushing all the hair and pulling it on top. Then taking a regular clip, I am just going to secure it at the point where I want my bun to be. Then with the rest of the hair, I am just wrapping it around the clip to create the bun. Then I'm taking a hair tie to secure the bun, and at this point you can see that my bun looks really small, but don't worry because the fun part is yet to begin. Now coming to the fun part where I am pulling out all the hair from the bun, and this is the most important step because the more efficiently you can pull out the hair, it will give you a more fuller look and it will also enhance the messy effect. Also pulling out a few strands of hair in front to give a more natural look to it. So that's it. You can see how cute this look has turned out, and this is how it looks from behind. Please ignore my baby hair. I love doing this hairstyle, especially in the hot summer months, and I am sure you will love it too. So for the next style, I am going to do a side braid. So for this, I am parting my hair on the sides. You can also part it in the middle or whichever way you prefer. Then I'm taking all my hair on one side and then I'm going to go with my regular process of braiding. So there is no trick in the process of braiding, it's just as you usually do by dividing your hair into 3 parts. Just make sure that the braiding is done really nicely and tightly, because that is going to be very important at the end. Now I am not going to do the braiding till the extreme bottom of my hair, because usually hair is thinner at the bottom. So I am going to leave around 3 inches of my hair at the bottom and then secure the braid with a hair tie. Now comes the most significant part, where I am going to pull the hair from the braid, and this is why I had mentioned in the beginning that the braiding should be done really tightly, because otherwise it is not going to give you the well defined fuller look that you want to achieve. This hairstyle is really simple, where I have shown how just simply adding a hair accessory can enhance any regular hairstyle. So over here I have kept my hair open, parted it on the side, and now I am dividing my hair with some hair in front of my ear and some behind my ear. So now I'm going to use my favorite accessory, which is a bandana. So I feel bandana is a very versatile hair accessory which can be styled in so many different ways, and everyone should have one. But in case you don't, you can also use a white statement hairband instead. So I have basically tied my bandana in the division that I have created, and because of this I have some hair in front and some behind, which kind of gives an illusion of fuller looking hair. And at the same time I feel this is one of the looks that requires minimum effort, and yet you can look super chic. So for the last and final look, I am again using the same bandana. So over here I have already knotted the bandana tightly, and now I am placing it on the crown of my hair. Now I am just leaving a few locks of hair in front, and the remaining hair I am neatly going to put inside the bandana. So this step requires a little bit of patience, because you have to make sure that no strands of hair are left behind and everything is done really neatly. So this is the final look, how it looks from behind, and this is how I look in front. I really like that little cute bow that I can create with a bandana. I just feel it makes this hairstyle look so much more cute. That's it. Those were all the hairstyles for today. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite, and I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and comment, and please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.